Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a video that can help you get rid of wrinkles, smoothen your face, open up your pores, tighten your face, give you a youthful glow, this video is definitely for you, so please keep watching. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to get rid of this pimple, acne and dark spots you're seeing on my face. And what I'm about to share with you guys in this video is part of my skincare routine. I've used this for almost 2 months and I've seen a great result, guys. So if you're suffering from pimples, wrinkles, black hairs, acne, all forms of hyperpigmentations, this video is definitely for you, okay? Like I said, it's very effective. I've used it for almost 2 months, and this is me later. This is me. As you all can see, I'm beginning to see a great improvement in this video. Yes, so please keep watching and I will share with you guys how I was able to achieve this, okay? Let's get right into the video. So first I will start by preparing my miracle exfoliator. I call this miracle exfoliator because after exfoliating this treatment with my face, it gives me what I want. And to prepare the treatment, all you need is 1 tomato. Get a tomato and grate it. I'm using tomato because tomato helps to reduce excess oil on the skin. It helps to prevent acne, remove dead skin cells. Tomato helps to brighten your skin. It also helps you to, it also helps to relieve the skin from irritation. Tomato helps to delay the signs of aging, and it helps to tighten the pores. Yes, that's why I'm using tomato. In a situation whereby I don't have tomato, my next option is carrot. I love using tomato or carrot to exfoliate my skin. Yes, so after adding the tomato, the next thing here is honey. I'll go ahead and add some drops of honey because honey helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. Honey helps to diminish the signs of premature aging. So now the next one I'll be adding is 5 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a popular choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and the antimicrobial properties. It helps to calm redness and inflammation. So that's why I added some drops of tea tree oil. So once that is done, the next thing I'll be adding is lemon. I'll go ahead and squeeze in some lemon juice. I'll be using lemon juice because it helps to treat acne. Lemon juice also helps to increase collagen. Yes, then after squeezing in some amount of lemon juice, I'll go ahead and grate the skin of the lemon juice into the treatment. I love to grate in some amount of lemon peel because it contains citric acid that can help exfoliate away dead skin cells and improve skin rejuvenation. That's why I'm grating in some amount of the lemon peel, okay? So after that, guys, the next thing to do is to mix the mixture very well and add the last ingredient. Like I said, this exfoliator is my best, my number one, my all day. In fact, hey, this is my best. Honestly, this is my best. Then in the situation where I don't have tomato, the next thing I will replace the tomato with is carrot. Yes, so now I'm done. The next thing I'll be adding is sugar. I will add about 1 tablespoon of sugar into it, and I'll be using sugar because it's one of the best natural ingredients to exfoliate your skin. Sugar scrubs are mild and help remove dead skin cells. It helps to rejuvenate the skin by cleaning all the dirt from the skin pores. So that's why I'll be adding sugar. You can use brown sugar, but here I'll be using white sugar. So I will go ahead and mix, and after mixing it, it's ready to be used. Now I will go ahead and show you guys how you can use this to pamper your skin. Yes, so let's get right into it. So guys, with me here, I have the mixture with me. I'll be using this to exfoliate my skin. Why I like to exfoliate my skin is that it will help to open up the pores. Exfoliating your skin is like clearing the land you want to cultivate on. Yes, before you cultivate on a land, you have to clear it. So exfoliating your skin is simply clearing the land, because after exfoliating your skin, you open up your pores ready to receive any treatment you apply your face. Okay, please if you're if you're having acne, pimples and all that, and after using treatments, you know, trying all forms of treatments, and you fail to wash your pillowcase, in fact, pause this video right now. Do you know one thing you have to do? Go and get your pillowcase, soak your pillowcase, wash your pillowcase. When you don't wash your pillowcase for so long and you bathe, after bathing you do your skincare routine, you exfoliate your face, you do all forms of things, and you still go back to that pillow that is dirty and put your face on it, what do you expect? All the germs that have been there will still transfer onto your face, thereby still causing the havoc, that you've been having. Yes, so it's good to wash your pillowcase at least once in a week. So if you're one of those people that have not washed their pillowcase for so long, please pause this video and go and wash your pillowcase. Wash your bedspread, please. First thing you have to do before trying this treatment, go and wash your bedspread, your pillowcase, everything, wash it first. Then after that, then you prepare your this for exfoliating your face. Okay, yes, that is the first step. Make sure you have a clean pillowcase, because after cleaning your face, after everything, you still don't want to go and lay on a dirty pillowcase. That won't be good. Okay, so now I'll dip this into this treatment I have right here, and I'll go. I like to use tomato to exfoliate my face, my skin generally. It's either I use tomato or carrot. They are so good. I don't like using coffee, but if coffee is good for you, you can as well go ahead and replace tomato with coffee. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and exfoliate my skin. Scrub. It's good to exfoliate. Exfoliate at least once in a week. It's very good to exfoliate. Most of the time, you might even buy a product. If you're not exfoliating, your skin cannot absorb that product. Thereby, you will not be seeing an effect of the product. So it's always good to exfoliate so that you open up your pores. Then when you apply the product or any DIY, it will penetrate into your skin, giving you what you want. It's good to exfoliate. Did you see how dirty this is? It's good. Then I'm done with this. I'll take another one. So now that I'm done exfoliating, the next thing I will do is, so once I'm done exfoliating, the next thing I'll do is that I'll get a bowl. I'll add hot water into it. After adding hot water into it, I'll go ahead and squeeze in some amount of lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use apple cider vinegar. I'll squeeze in some amount of lemon into it. Then after that, I will go in with a clean towel, clean face towel. Oh, this water is hot. Make sure the towel you'll be using is clean. If you don't want to use a towel, then you can put enough water and dip your face into it. And dip your face like this into it. But so After dipping the towel into the water, this is what I will do. As you can see, it's hot. I will use it and place on my face. Why I'm doing this is because I exfoliated my skin. After exfoliating my skin, now that I placed a hot towel on my face, this hot towel will collect all the oil, all the dead skin cells, clean up my opened pores, then get my skin ready to absorb anything I will apply on it. So now I'm done with this hot water stage. At this point, if you like, you can go ahead, wash your face with normal warm water, then apply your face moisturizer or vitamin C oil or vitamin E oil on your face. But I will not stop here. I still have to do something. Yes, I still have to do something that will help me close up my pores, tighten my face to get rid of wrinkles. And what do I have to do? Wait for me. So this is what you need to do after using hot water. Now here I have a cold water. I'll go ahead and add some ice cubes into it. Now I have some ice cubes into it. What I will do is that I'll go ahead and dip my face into this cold water. Doing that will help to tighten up my pores, to close all the opened pores. All the pores I opened while exfoliating and cleaning my face with hot towel. I will use this cold water to close up the pores, tighten my face. When you are dipping your face into this cold water and you feel a kind of shrinkage or tightening, it means that your skin is coming together. And when that is happening, your face is getting tightened, thereby reducing wrinkles, okay? So now I'll go ahead and do that. This is so cold. Oh, this is so cold. Do this and leave your face inside the water as long as you can stay. So after that, now you've closed up all the opened pores. The next thing you have to do, get a clean towel. Dry up your face, and this is how you dry your face. You dab, you pat dry. Guys, after doing this, let me see why there won't be changes on your face. Let me see why. So after drying your face, the last thing you have to do, go ahead and apply your face moisturizer. If you don't have one, go ahead and apply vitamin C oil on your face. If you don't have one, go ahead and apply vitamin E oil on your face. If you don't have one, go ahead and apply aloe vera gel or get a fresh aloe vera, cut it, use the gel on your face. You as a lady, if you don't have any of these things, what is it? Are you even in this world? So definitely you will have one of these things I mentioned, okay? Here I'll be applying vitamin E oil on my face. So I will go ahead. Include this in your skin care routine. This is very necessary. Include it in your skincare routine. At least you can do it once in a week. This will help you to get rid of wrinkles, you know, tighten your face, get rid of clogged pores, open up your pores, you know. This is very nice, guys. Did you see? Can you see the way my face is glowing? Can you see? Can you see? Tell me why you will not try this. You will not try this treatment. Tell me why. Just tell me why. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.